'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house...
Hold it now, wait, hold it. That's played out. Hit it!
Alright, here we are. What are we doing?
We're going to Target.
For what?
For Christmas presents.
What are you drinking there?
A chocolate shake in winter.
Not too cold.
Hey guys, want some?
Oh, hey. Alright, see you inside.
Not 50, that's too much. I'm gonna say 20. I might get this for Maya.
That's a good one for her. She would love that. Alright, well let's look too, because she was talking about what else?
Live sauce.
Okay, well I don't know if that's out yet, but we'll go look at it. What did you say?
Okay, so guys, for a girl, guys are harder to find because if you have an older sister like Maya, she tells me a lot that she wants, so it's like easier to buy for her. So yeah.
We all know she likes that. And
But
Quinn,
like
you're saying it's
live
harder?
sauce, like live sauce and stuff, she told me that so I could know and stuff like that. But Quinn is harder
Why?
because it's just he doesn't really tell me a lot that he likes.
What does he like? You know what he likes. Ding-a-ling.
Video games.
And what else?
Legos. Get him a couple of these.
Alright, so what's your decision for Quinn?
I'm going to get him Pikachu
Pikachu and
for
what?
Amiibo because he might get Super Smash Bros. So we're gonna get him this.
To play with Super Smash Brothers?
Yes.
Okay. Alright.
And we're
There
done.
you have it. Your decisions. Hobbit for Maya, Amiibo for Quinn. Done and done.
Hey guys, it's day 12? 12? Okay, so it's day 12, and me and my dad are going to go to GameStop and Target and buy things for Maya and Shane, and then for at Target, and then for GameStop we're going to just to like look around, and then Dad needs to ask about, what was it?
Capture card.
The capture card, yeah. So, yeah, I'll see you guys later in Target and GameStop probably, so bye.
Alright, here we are. Quinn's favorite place on earth, GameStop. I might not be videoing in there, but
It's a little small.
yeah, it's a little small to be. If it's crowded, we won't video in there, but that's his happy face for going in there. Here we go.
Hey guys, so we're back from doing all the shopping and stuff. So, Shane and Maya, if you're watching this, stop here because I'm about to show some things that you're not allowed to see. Okay. So for Shane, I got this little Dracula doll thing. And it's, I guess, these two dolls put together. So it's a Monster High, and then for Maya, I got her a 5 Seconds of Summer thing magazine that has posters inside, like 20 posters, and then I have a shirt for her, and it says sarcastic comment loading, please wait.
Perfect.
Perfect. Then for me, I got, so we got a Wii controller for our Wii U and stuff like that. It's a Mario one. And then I got Rabbids Land for the Wii U. Then Super Mario Brothers for the Wii U. Then I also got some Pokemon cards, but I can't seem to find them in the bag. So I got this pack, and it has the, yeah, it's the X and Y. So, and then I have like, what, 2 more packs in here. I have these are the Phantom Forces ones. So yeah. See you guys later.
Okay, look at the puppies.
You walking?
Ellie played with a friend now.
Trying to see if we found a new brother. Oh.
Good job.
Hi, Monterey. You want to come say hi? See, we're trying to see if Monterey will fit into our family. So we're letting him come and hang out for a while. Can you say hi? No, you're hiding. You hiding? Come say hi. Hi, say hi. You like Mr. Rick? Hi, puppy dog. Hi, you're cute. Ellie, how do you feel about Monterey? Huh, Mama? Hi, do you like him?
I have treats, so.
Oh, you like Maya right now.
Is it on?
I think so.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
We are at Target and we're gonna do Christmas shopping for Quinn Shane.
Don't tell them.
You can't tell them what we're getting them though,
No.
okay? Because
Alright.
it's a secret until
Yeah.
Christmas.
Yes. All right, see you in there. Okay. Trying to find good stuff for Quinn and Shin.
Quinn and Shane.
Where is the Monster High? There it is. This is our section. Monster High. All right. I love all the Ever After High stuff. See, Dad read it wrong. That's the character plush. This was $12.99.
This is pretty cool.
He wants really bad, but he read that it was $12.99, but it's not. It's $24.99. So that's not happening. We love you, Shane, but no.
Alright. Buy one, get one 50% off. Okay, which one?
Well, if it's buy one, get one 50% off.
Just lit up.
What do you think?
I think she'll like the Dracula one better.
Okay. But if you buy one, it's $12.99, and you get the other one for $9.99?
Freaky Fusion. That's so swag.
You said swag.
Wait, do you? Never mind.
Sounds like Freddy. Decisions. Pokemon or Lego?
I think we're gonna do Lego. I like Legos better anyway, so.
Alright, which one then? We'll do... I like these guys. The little...
What do they do? They do Roger.
Yes,
There's
Roger.
the game.
Yeah. Here's some boring Hobbit ones. So here's some boring Hobbit ones. For your brother, not for you. Alright, let's see. Do they have little Lego movie ones?
Oh wait, there's ones for $9.99 right here. We can get a Pokemon thing too.
Not if you got him the other one. Here's some Lego movie ones.
Oh.
Does he have those ones?
I don't know.
Oh, there's too many Lego sets.
What the heck? Let's just get one of these Star Wars ones.
Okay.
We'll do... I don't know. This one's really cool.
Yeah, I like that one with that guy with the green.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
With the green.
That green guy right there. I think he's cool. It won't focus. Okay. All right. You've done it.
Baze. Look, it has Bane. That's so cool. Man, that's so cool.
Which one's Bane?
Bard's son.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. I'm asking so I don't sound stupid.
I do sound stupid.
Oh, that's not love.
Look how cool it is. It has Tario
Guess
in
who's
it.
gonna tell Santa not to buy it for you? This mom.
Oh. Dude,
What?
I want all these.
You're a teenage girl. You should want clothes and makeup.
No makeup. Maybe clothes. But Lego sets.
Burger cake, Quinn? Oh, you're bright. Are you an angel? Did it hurt when you fell down from heaven?
No, she's Irish.
What did you say?
No, she's Irish.
Oh, that's why she's so bright. 'Cause
Irexican.
she's Irexican. And now we have a Jedi. I think you're a dark Jedi because you can't see your eyes.
I think you're a dork Jedi.